to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this design on my left hand. So I'm starting off by using this Venalisa gel polish colour number 82, and I've already done the first coat off camera. I'm just showing you the second coat. I really like this colour. It's gorgeous deep red, but it's got like a bit of a shimmer in it. It's so pretty. So once I've done 2 coats on these 3 nails, I shall pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now on this middle nail I'm going to be doing an ombre. So I'm starting off by using the Lilycute LC05, which is the light pink colour. And then on the bottom half of the nail I'm going to be using that Venalisa colour 82 again. And I'm just going to apply that to the bottom half of this nail, just putting it up to that light pink. You need to remember to make sure that you paint the free edge as well, or else you're going to end up getting chipping. And now I'm using my detailer brush, and I'm just going to be fanning backwards and forwards and up and down between them 2 colours. And when you do these ombres, make sure that you clean your brush off in between as well. And don't forget to blend in the edges. And then once you're happy with that blend, this blend's not got to be too perfect because this is obviously only the first coat. And the first coat always looks quite patchy still. But you'll see when we go in and do the second coat how much better it looks. So once I'm happy with that, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now we're going to go in and do the second coat, which is the exact same as what we did in the first coat, but you just need to make sure that you get this one a lot neater. I did struggle with this ombre a bit because not so much the difference in the colours, but it was more to do with the texture of the gel polish. The Lilycute gel polish, the light pink, is quite a thick creamy texture, where the Venalisa is quite runny. And I think that was what made me struggle quite a bit. So you'll see I was faffing quite a bit on this second coat. I'm using the Naio Nails Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat for this nail. Now when you're using this matte top coat, you need to make sure that you do cover the whole of the nail, or else you're going to get like shiny patches if you've missed anywhere. And don't forget to cap the free edge as well. So that's cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm using the non-wipe shiny top coat. And I'm just doing like a diagonal line across the nail. And I'm going to be sticking glitter into that. So this is the Chameleon multi-mix glitter, which I got from Aliexpress recently. And it's so pretty, gorgeous, really pretty glitter. And I'm just using a detailer brush and picking bits out that I want, because I just want to do like a line on the outside of this diagonal area, and then inside of that line I'm going to be sprinkling some fine glitter. So now I've got them all in place, I'm now going to be sprinkling this fine glitter into that uncured top coat. And I got this from Helen. It's a mixture of all different glitters, and that then cured for 60 seconds in the lamp. Now I'm using the non-wipe shiny top coat, and I'm going to apply that to the pinky and the index finger. And I'm going to be sprinkling that Chameleon glitter into that uncured top coat on the index finger. I'm thinking I probably should have used a detailer brush or something to stick these to the nail, because I just found sprinkling it on, all the larger hexes end up falling off after a couple of days. So I think I should have probably applied it into the top coat with a detailer brush or something. Now I'm applying a coat of the Emily base coat onto this nail, because I'm going to be sticking some of these Gucci sequins into it. I think base coat's just a lot stronger than top coat. Usually when I'm using sequins, I usually bend them slightly, you know, so they fit the C curve of a nail better. But for some reason I didn't do that with these, and you can see I'm faffing quite a lot because I just can't get them to sit where I want them. So yeah, and every time I move it where I want it, it seems to slide back to the outside. I was having a nightmare with them, an absolute nightmare. So I need to remember next time I use these to bend them. Now for the thumbnail, I'm going to be using these Gucci stickers, what I got from Aliexpress. And you don't need to apply these into a base coat or a top coat or anything. You can just stick these straight on top of your gel polish. I think I must have thought to myself at the time, after all the head funk of using them sequins and faffing for so long, I must have thought, no, I'm going to use stickers. They're so much easier to use. So that's them stickers all stuck down, and now I'm using the Gel Lab non-wipe shiny top coat, and I do a coat of this over these sequins, but they're quite lumpy bumpy, so you just need to make sure that the top coat goes in any of the gaps what's there. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I did buff this just to make it smooth, and then I did apply another layer of top coat. But I didn't need to do that with the thumbnail because those stickers are really thin, super thin. So once I've applied that, I then cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds, and that is the set done, guys. So I really hope you like them. If you do, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, that way you will never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.